Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your Wii with a SD card or without the SD card. There are two ways this can go to from. You need a SD card larger than 2 gig, 2 gigabyte of course, or you need a internet browser installed. Please leave me in the comments down below if you want a shootout or if you have any video suggestion. I'm really interested in what you want from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Enjoy. Alright, so you need your Wii controller, your Wii itself of course. So what you're gonna first do is check your version number or your MAC address in the settings. Go to the Wii. Let me turn down the volume a bit. Alright, and you go to your WII settings. Scroll over to internet. System information. You need to copy this, or at least remember this or write this over. Alright, so you need this number. Alright, once on your computer you want to go to this site. Link will be in the description down below. Well, what you wanted to do is type here your MAC address, and mine was E0 0C 7F 7D 82 F5. You wanna hit another robot. It's pretty obvious, but you wanna hit the cut the red wire or cut the blue wire. I always do the blue wire. You wanna extract it. Can extract here or immediately onto the SD card. I'm just going to extract from here. Let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna copy all the files. Well, these are not already needed, but yeah. Just plug in your SD card. I will. Alright. Once you have that plugged in, you wanna copy all the files, cut, let it install. Alright, once installed, you wanna remove or format the disk. Start, okay, FAT32, this is alright protected. Alright, let's fix that. Alright, this formatting, if it's good. Alright, I mean, I will be back when it's this is done finishing the Alright, once done, you want to hit format, hit start, okay. We'll go ahead and erase the device, hit yes. Format complete, close, and now you want to just hit paste. It's easy as that. Hit the eject button. You can find it to safely remove the file or the disk, or just eject the SD card. Let's move over to the Wii. Alright, once it's the SD card is not ejected yet, so let's connect. Put it back, and all the way to the home menu. Alright. Now what you're going to do is pop in the SD card. Try two SD cards. Sorry, my English is terrible. Alright, so as you can see, this is an 8 gig. This should also work, but I have my normal SD card for this process use. So make sure it isn't the thing isn't down, the disk protection, because I've got a lot of errors on my PC. As you could see, what you wanted to do now is yes, settings or now the WII dot. So again, go to the message board, go back.